What's going on, everybody? The Germ here. Look at the snow, man. This is crazy. Wintertime, January. It's time for snow. Still not used to this look. Feels really weird. Feels like sandpaper today. So we're supposed to get about 3 inches of snow. No big deal, but we're gonna get another 3 inches of snow tomorrow. Jen and I are headed to Albany later tonight, so we get to drive to Albany in this snowy, slushy mess. Should be fun. Finally got back home, or close to home at least. This is back home in Hyde Park, Vanderbilt Mansion over there. You can't see anything, but yeah, not a lot of cars on the road. I've passed a couple. It's not bad or anything. This is normal stuff for New York. We're used to this. It's not like I'm Tampa J or something living in Florida. They'd be freaking out if they had snow like this in Florida. Look at this. Look how pretty. This is beautiful over here. Can we see anything? Not much. There's Vanderbilt Mansion entrance. And it looked like it was closed from the other end. And yeah, they're closed. Old gatehouse. All right, guys, made a little stop here. One of my favorite stores. Look, there's Eric. There's Eric. He's gonna be in the vlog. He's closing early. He's an evil, evil man. Why are you closing early, man?
Have to, man. No one's around.
It's a ½ inch of snow. This is Marissa. God, I'm gonna get Mario Kart.
Cool, man.
Oh yeah, we're gonna play this tonight. Well, maybe not tonight because we gotta go somewhere to go. Marissa, give you how about $1?
You're hilarious. It just came in today.
Come on, change the date.
$6.
How much?
5.
Done. Sold. All right, got Mario Kart. I have this one already. Never hurts to have another copy, right? Mario Kart. Let's see what we got for snow. Okay, here's the snow. Let's see. Enough to make a snowball. The FDR home. Remember, my grandfather came up here when I was probably like 16 years old, and he asked me what those were. I always thought those looked like cinnamon rolls. Just bales of hay. Look pretty cool though. I'm starting to feel like I need something nice and warm to drink. I don't want a coffee though, but I think I have something in mind. All right, that's what I feel like right here. Look at that. Oh yeah, forgot about this part. Look at this. Yeah, nothing. 17 ramp, the window won't go down. Oh, it started to go down. Uh-oh, that's not good. It's making the noise. Oh, now it won't go back up. Oh, this is not good. It's cracked. We're gonna have to try something different here. Oh, this is gonna be fun.
Hi, what can I get for you?
Hi, can I get a medium hot chocolate with a little bit of milk, please?
Medium hot chocolate and milk, anything else?
Nope, that's it.
$2.97.
Perfect, thank you. The window is down. It fell down. Hopefully the window comes back up. Closing the door made that happen. Okay, that's good. All right, here's the next test. I don't know, guys. Will it go back down again? Look at that, it's not going all the way in though. Before it just like fell right in. Well, plow trucks are out, that's a good thing. So what did I get from Dunkin'? Nice hot chocolate, currently too hot to drink. Feels very light, so I'm not sure if it's not all the way filled up, or is it lighter than coffee? Starting to get dusk out now, and gonna go pick up Jenna because we're almost home. Gotta go to Albany. Okay, I'm back. It's been about half an hour, and I'm now joined by the wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous Jenna. Jenna, remind me why we're driving to Albany to in a snowstorm.
Because we have tickets to a comedy show and a hotel room.
Oh my God. Who are we seeing again?
Vic DiMatteo.
Alright, I don't know who that is. I don't know. Is he known for anything?
mean, he makes this face that he's like known for.
He
It's,
makes a
like,
face
weird,
like that?
funny face. No, he
Not like that.
he makes like a duh face. I don't know.
And you said he was in Mall Cop,
He
right?
was in Mall Cop 2.
But you're not sure which what he played or anything like that.
I don't remember. I saw it a long time ago when it came out, but I don't.
All right, it's at the mall. We'll see if he's funny. I don't know. Look at this, going the same direction that came before. There's the Vanderbilts again. And what do you guys think? The roads look any different? That was probably an hour ago for me, and a couple minutes ago for you guys. I don't know. I think they look about the same. What do you guys think? Look at this. This is the other location I came through earlier today. Oh, sorry, guys. This looks much whiter. Still snowing. We're driving 37 miles per hour. Now we're behind a snowplow, so the road's looking really clean that one spot, but we got to pass them. We're gonna have to pass them. It's gonna suck. There goes our nice clean road that we've been on for the last 10 miles. Look at that, guys. We made it. We made it. We're going to this place right here, Funny Bone, tonight. This is the mall, Crush Gates Mall in Albany. I can find a parking spot. We made it. We made it. Look at you. You look absolutely ridiculous.
My hood is very big. It's a very big hood.
That how long did it take us?
I don't know what
You didn't look at the time. I think that took us like double the time. What time did we leave?
5:30.
Did you say 5:30?
Yeah.
Oh my God, that took us over 2 hours. Holy smokes. I think the top speed that I hit, snow's getting in my eyes. The top speed that I hit was like 50 miles an hour. Oh, I'm switching back to this side. Yeah, top speed 50 miles an hour. I think I was averaging like 45 on a highway that was had a speed limit of 65. What I was surprised at, we only saw one car accident right at the end. So going the other direction, that was the only car accident we saw. Well, we made it. We made it. We're staying overnight, so that's a good thing. We don't have to worry about going back home. So we're at the mall. We ate dinner at this place called Maggie McFly's. Wasn't bad. Did you like it? But it was funny at the end. You could tell that this guy was walking out. They were trying to kind of stop him. They're like, "Yeah, you got to pay your bill now." Dude just took off running. We were sitting next to close to the window. We just saw him take off running through the mall, and the guy, like the host guy, didn't even follow him. He just like followed him, like started walking. He's like, "Hey, you got to pay your bill." The guy took off. It's pretty funny. Here's what we're seeing. That's his face. I can't. Oh, there we go. Jenna knows some magic trick. All right, do your magic. All right, that's the guy. Oh yeah, look at that. That's who we're seeing. We'll see. Jenna, you better be funny.
There's a long line to get in, so.
Entrance to the world of laughter. Jenna's mad at me because I'm recording her. You're not allowed to record?
No.
I think I record the show. Too many people whenever we get the spot. Look at this. They got some good stuff. I'm getting a ultimate brownie. It comes with a scoop of ice cream. And Jenna forced me to get an alcoholic beverage. Thanks a lot, Jenna. I wanted a Coke, but I guess I'll do what you forced me to do. Oh man, look at this guy. Ralphie May. Rest in peace, brother. This guy was funny. I ran into him at Bananas Comedy Club in Poughkeepsie years ago. Very, very nice, very humble, very funny dude. Rest in peace, Ralphie. Well, it's all over. That was pretty cool. What's the guy's name?
Vic DiPotetto.
I keep saying it wrong, so I figured I'd let you say it. Pretty good show, funny dude.
He's funny.
He's got a cold. The first thing he came out was sprayed some Lysol. Kills 99% of germs. Did not kill this germ. So we had a good time. He was very funny. He's gonna do a little meet and greet. I'm not gonna do the meet and greet. You want to do meet and greet? Nah, I'm good. So I am the Germ. This is the wonderful, beautiful, gorgeous Jenna. Thanks for watching the video. Love you guys. Thanks for your support, and we will see you guys in the next video. All right, have a good night. All right, there he is. There's the man himself. Hey, Vic. He didn't wash his hands. I didn't hear me.